This Smart TVs guide enables Roku screen mirroring first, then connects an Android phone through Smart View, Cast, or Screen Share. Press Home, move down the left menu to Settings, and press OK. Start on the TV before touching the Android phone. In Settings, move to System and press OK. This is the Roku menu that controls screen mirroring. Move down to Screen Mirroring and press OK. Roku must allow mirroring before Android can discover it. Choose Prompt for Shared Homes, or Always Allow if this is your private TV. Avoid Never Allow unless you want mirroring off. On Android, open Smart View, Cast, Screencast, or Screen Share. Different brands use different names for the same step. Tap your Roku TV name in the phone device list. If it is missing, put both devices on the same Wi-Fi network and try again. If the TV asks for permission, highlight Allow and press OK. Your Android screen should appear on the Roku TV. Scan the QR for Samsung, Pixel, and other Android steps, plus fixes for missing Roku devices, blocked phones, and Wi-Fi mismatch.